Babe, what's it like living with me for 1 month?
Yeah. It's Island Boy. Give thanks for your loving. You are the realest girl. Even without money, you're enjoying my world. Huh?
What's it like living with me for 1 month and no joking around? Babe,
Huh?
how long have we known each other for?
Over a year and around year, 1 month and 3 days and 3 hours and 55 seconds to 1 minute and I don't know.
He's so cheeky.
Oh my God.
He's the cheekiest man you'll ever know. His heart is pure cheekiness. I'm gonna get you.
Babe.
I'm gonna get you. You're gonna pay for all your wrongs. You're gonna pay for his wrongs.
I'm a Spanish abuelo asale. Amata si aquara suelo. I feel good. Amagati abaga suelo. I got this puro boca pa mamrda. Keep on my caro, mama give me caro. Suma manaro, keep it caro, si pinamaro, mam piniparo. Ora de saba, viva de saba. Caliente, amara, keep it caro. What's up, my people? There again is it. Yes, Rasta. So guys, we're back at Frenchman's Cove. Because last time we came here, but we didn't swim or do anything like that. So we're back again to explore. You understand? So journey with us. I'm at thing. Let's go down. There again, my people. Oh my God. No way, this water doesn't look like the last time when we saw it. Some mullets in here.
Oh, it's dirty.
Yeah, it looks way different from the last time.
For real, and that's only what? A couple of months ago.
Yeah. Crazy. Well, yeah, guys. The sea looks a bit rough, but it doesn't matter. Here's it. Still have to check it out and swim and ting. And this is the river that runs out into it.
It's much more clearer before.
Yeah, it looks a bit. Yeah, lots of mass in it.
Looked after.
Yeah. And ting. Quiet here. Nice though. Right under here, just feel cool. Cool. You see me? So yeah. Nothing resta. How you feeling, baby?
Good. You feeling good?
Yeah.
Good.
Feeling great, you know? Positive. Yeah, man. You know the vibes. Say we on a roll now. Let's go now. So this is paradise, right in front my eyes. This is paradise. Right now I can't hear the waves, them a crash. You see me? Mad thing. Check out the tree. Yeah, this a tree, a big, you know? Huge. Oh, the famous Frenchman's Cove. Yeah. Ooh, I can feel the sun already.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Don't like too much sun and I don't like cold water. But that's what's up. Yeah, crazy. Woohoo! Gonna have to find a spot.
Yeah, man. What about? You like
Go over there?
shade?
Yeah, over there.
No, Daddy likes a bit of shade.
Yeah, I like the sunshine, you know? I might think. Crazy. Yeah, man. So don't forget, guys, please subscribe to this channel. You understand? Click the notification bell.
Don't forget, this is my favorite place, guys.
Yeah.
Frenchman's Cove.
I might think. Crazy. Yeah, man. Seem like they have like a bar or something up there, like a restaurant.
Told you.
Yeah.
Hey, you left your sock.
Have even kind of,
You left your sock there.
Sock?
Sock.
It wasn't me. No way. Oh, it seemed closed though.
Yeah, it's nasty.
Oh my god. Crazy. Uh-huh. Yeah, man. Find a nice shady spot, you know? So.
Yeah, you find it.
Yeah. What you gonna do? Take sun?
Maybe. I might copy everyone else here on the beach.
Ah, crazy. Okay then.
Nah, I won't.
Jesus.
You actually get.
Alright, so swimming time. Oh, pray for me, guys. Pray that I don't drown. I don't know if I remember how to swim. You see me? Oh yeah, man. Crazy. Ooh, ooh. Jesus. Oh my god.
This is my favorite beach.
Yeah.
Take the marina off.
What?
Take the marina off.
Why? My belly is big.
No,
Why should I take
so
it?
what about my belly? What about my belly?
No.
It's so far.
Oh. Oh, this for me.
Oh, baby, it's dirty. Nice.
Yep. Amazing. Oh, the water feel good.
This is absolutely beautiful. This is lovely. Baby's right here.
Yes, what's that? Oh. Water feels great, guys. I usually I would be crying about the coldness, but it feels amazing. Yeah. I feel a bit of warmness and a bit of cold. Yeah. Because of the river that runs out into it. So yeah, but it feels great. Really loving it. Yeah. How about you?
Good. Feels good.
I really love these waves.
Loving them.
Yeah, these waves make everything perfect.
Everything nice.
Yep. Crazy. I tell you. Crazy. The first time swimming at Frenchman's Cove. Is it? Honestly, guys, this is the best beach me ever swim at. No, honestly, the water just feels different, yo.
Yeah.
The water feels different.
Different, man.
But just love the temperature.
For real, man.
I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Ooh. Crazy. Yeah. So that's what's up. Oh my god.
Drowning? Baby,
No, that was.
drowning?
Yeah, I'm drowning. Help me, please. Help me. Help me. Oh my god.
Babe. Gonna make him run for nothing.
That would be a good one. Prank the lifeguard. But then he would be so pissed.
Yeah.
They probably would ban us on the beach. Oh my god.
No.
Crazy.
This is the beach I want to marry in.
Yeah. Right here we're gonna get married, guys.
Oh, we are?
Yes, we go. Oh. Yes, we are. For the vibes. Please subscribe. Give us a like, comment, share. Oh my god. Oh, shark is coming. We gotta go.
How do you do that, babe? How did you do that?
I don't know.
Back?
Yep. Flip. Get flipping.
I'm not going anywhere.
You just gotta flip.
I'm not going anywhere. Babe,
Huh?
My favourite beach.
Yeah.
This is my number 1. Number 2 is Boston.
Yeah.
Number 3 is... Where's number 3? Which one's
Number 3. Number 3 would be Winfred.
What are you doing? He's so cheeky.
Winfred Beach.
Winfred Beach.
Yeah.
Yeah, Winfred Beach, number 3. Number 4, we haven't been to San, so we don't really know what that beach is like. But
you don't know.
oh no! Wait, no. Let's start again. Number 1, Frenchman's Cove. Number 2, Blue Lagoon.
Okay.
Yeah, because Blue Lagoon is beautiful.
Yeah.
Number 3 is Boston Beach. Number 4 then would be San.
Yeah.
And
well, we haven't been to San.
no, we haven't. But I'm just saying that would be my number 4.
Okay. Yeah.
And imagine it's like the most beautifulest beach.
Tell you. We went to Bikini Beach, which I hate. You understand? I don't like that beach. You know, so.
Oh yeah, we did too. Bikini Beach, man. It's a bit dirty.
Yeah. And we went to Negril.
7
Mile Beach.
Oh yeah.
That was amazing.
That beach in Mo Bay was the best.
Well, in Mo Bay and in Negril.
You like Negril?
Yeah, I love the beach.
I like the beach. I just don't like how
yeah, and the one in
they part the rope like only in like a midway.
Yeah.
Do you understand? Like here, there's like a further
everything
way.
is separate, and it's a 7 Mile Beach.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's crazy.
So